Good morning students. Today we are going to explain about parallelogram. Okay. This picture depicts parallelogram. A parallelogram is a flat surface which has opposite sides are equal and parallel, and it has four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. It has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. It has four vertices: vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. It has two diagonals. It has two diagonals: diagonal BD, diagonal AC, and diagonals bisect each other at point E. And coming to properties of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. Side AB equal to side CD, and opposite sides are parallel in parallelogram. AB parallel to CD. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Angle A equal to angle C, and sum of adjacent angles in parallelogram is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degrees. And already I said that diagonals bisect each other at point E, so that BE equal to ED or else AE equal to EC. So do you understand? Thank you.